Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm back again with another reaction video. Welcome back to my channel, Kimara Reaction. How you guys doing? So I'm here to react to Beautiful by Akon featuring Dulce Maria. Dulce is from the group RBD. So I'm curious to see if I heard this version before. Beautiful, I've heard it before, but I know he did a Spanish version too. I didn't know it was Dulce. Wow, what a small world.
It's your boy Akon. That's right, I'm inviting you to check out my new video right here on YouTube, Mexico. Check it out.
Come on, Mexico. Oh, this is so 2008, 2010 music video.
When I see you, I run out of words to say. I wouldn't leave you, 'cause you're that type of girl. See the guy trying to holler, but I don't wanna bother you, 'cause you're independent and you got my attention. Girl, I just wanna show you that I love what you are doing.
Baby, they tell you. You'll be beautiful. You're so beautiful. Beautiful. Makes them beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, come on. So I did hear this song, this version before. Oh my God, what a small world. She looks good. Come on, girl. It's beautiful to you. I can't. How music videos have changed in 10 years. They're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, beautiful.
Where'd you come from? You're out of this world. To me, you're a symbol of what a big, beautiful woman should
Be. Thank you. I am gagging at this music video. You're so beautiful. You're beautiful. I am gagging at this music video because I know that song. I heard that version before. I did not know it was Dulce. Wow, because I know this song came out like 2008-9 era. That was like I was a junior in high school at the time, so I remember this song came out. But I heard this version before. I didn't know it was her. What a small world! Wow, interesting. I do like that song though. Akon was that. He was that nigga. I mean, he was that artist my high school years. He's one of the top artists my high school years. Wow, thanks for that recommendation. So I do know Dulce. Okay. I really do like it. I think it's beautiful. Her voice sounds really great on a pop vocal. Really do sound good, and I can't wait for the new era that RBD will be giving. Hopefully, Alfonso will also be there as well in this new era. You know, take a little break from his acting career. Okay, he's an actor now. So I really do like that. So thanks for the recommendation. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Get to it as soon as possible. It's always who can be you beside you. I really do appreciate it. Bye.